Hey, hi guys. Welcome back to the 100 days or 100 plus scenario series challenge. Now we will discuss about the scenario number 8. Okay, so these all are real-time scenarios, guys. Scenario from 1 to 7 is already done and I have already uploaded in the YouTube. Please go and watch it. Okay, so let us go to the scenario number 8. So what is scenario number 8? You are working with an Excel file where the cell contains. Okay, for example, there is a file. In the file, there is a value ABC, XYZ. It can be anything. And background color would be red. Okay. Now, what you need to do? We need to perform the following. Verify that the background color of the cell is red. Okay. So this is these all questions are previously asked questions, guys. Now what we will do? How to automate this in Tosca. Okay. So how to automate this in Tosca? Let us see. For example, again, I'm telling there is a cell with the value ABC and color equal to red. Okay. I have prepared an Excel sheet, guys. Okay. See here, I have already prepared the Excel sheet, like where you have employee ID, employee name, and date of birth, some XYZ values. And we have certain table. In the table, we have employee IDs and we have employee name and database. In this one, see, you can see a ABC color, like one of the cell, the value ABC color is red. You can see the background color. It is showing background color, right? So background color is red. Now I will need to verify whether this background color is red or not, especially this cell. Means in this table, consider this as a table. Okay, the employee ID with this ID corresponding values is red or not, you need to verify it. Okay, how to automate this scenario? For example, you go to this one and create one scenario number 8. Here, in order to automate the Excel sheet, what I will do, I will start from the scratch case. Okay, how you need to automate it? In order to verify this one, first of all, we need to open this Excel sheet, right? In automation, first step one is to open the Excel sheet. Second step is go to this respective row or respective column. And first, you have different values, right? Tosca should go to the first value and it should go to the corresponding values. After that, we need to close it. That's it. Okay. Now, what you need to do in order to automate this scenario, you need to go to the standard module and T-box X engines. In the X engines, there is an Excel operation. See, we have open Excel workbook. Drag this module inside the process. Okay, you got it? Now you need to give the respective values. Now, in order to automate this open Excel sheet, or you need to open this one, how you will open this? You need to provide your respective workbook name. Okay, the workbook I have stored in my downloads, guys. See here, this is the workbook name. So first, I will give the workbook name. Okay. Once I have provided the workbook name, I need to give the path of the workbook. Just right click, copy the path and provide over here and remove the double quotes. Okay. So wherever you see this one, okay, you just go here and remove this double quotes. Now it will open that respective Excel file. Once you have opened the Excel file, the second step in the Excel file, what you need to do, you need to define the range. Okay. So what is the second step in order to automate the Excel sheet? You need to open the Excel, define Excel range. Okay. In this range, you need to give the workbook name. Just copy the workbook name from the previous one and you need to give the worksheet name. Means you need to open this Excel workbook or Excel and you need to see what is the worksheet name. It is sheet 1, right? So just cross check whether it is sheet 1 or not. Next, range. Okay, I will give range 4. Some name I am giving it. Why you will give it, you will understand. Next, you need to give the data range. See, for example, the Tosca will get confused if you don't mention the range from where to where it should verify. So I need from A1 to C8. This is my data I have. So what I will do, A1 to Z100 I will take. Okay, in real time, we will take the maximum limits. So I will take A1 to Z100. In future, if we have any extra data, it will cover it. Got the point? You have defined the range. Next one, The next module you need to use is Excel range manipulation. Now drag this into the process, and in Excel range manipulation, you need to give the previous range. Okay, this is the range. By dragging this range, you are dragging entire module values from this module to this module. That's the main usage. Okay, so the range name is range name 4. You can give any range 5, range 6, or any name. Just you need to give a unique name. That's it. Now you need to go to the respective row and you need to go to the cell value. Okay. Now, first of all, now the Tosca may confused which row it should select, which column value it should select. So that's why we will fix this row. Okay. In order to fix this row, I will take, okay, I will take this employee ID. Okay. So what is the employee ID number? This is the employee ID number. Okay. And in order to restrict the search, we will use action mode constraint. What is action mode constraint? If you have any table and if you want to fix a particular row and restrict the search, you are navigating the Tosca to go to the employee ID where we have 12775891, and you need to use action mode constraint. After that, for example, if you have employee name, you need to paste it over here. Okay. After this, what you need to do, you need to verify the background color. Okay. For example, in order to do this one, we have one thing called background color. She should be capital. Okay. Background color. Now, what color you want to verify? I want to verify red, right? So you can't give red like this. So you need to go and check the RGB colors of red. Okay. What I will do, I will open Chrome and I will type it as red RGB code. Okay. So what is red RGB code? Now, if you go to anything, what it will do, it will cross verify what is the RGB color of a color red. Okay. What is the color red RGB? See here, you have R is 255 and G is 0 and B is 0. Okay. So you need to give that value over here. What do you need to give? You need to give R equal to 2, what is that? 255. Okay. You need to give 255, comma, G equal to 0, comma, B equal to 0. That's it. Background color. For every color, you will have different values. Okay. Now, this you have verified. Now, if you want to close the Excel worksheet, there is a standard module. Just drag this module and dump it over here. In order to automate any flow, this is how you will automate the Excel, guys. Parallelly, we are learning the Excel opening, closing, verification, storing. So if you want to store any value, use action mode verify. Okay. In the next scenarios, I will explain clearly. Please stay tuned and try to listen previous videos, previous scenarios, and these scenarios also. Now, the workbook name, you need to give the workbook name over here. Just copy it and come here and you just give the workbook name. Okay. Now, workbook path, just copy it and you need to give the workbook path. Now, when you are editing any value, you can save equal to true, but you are not saving anything, just you are verifying it. That's it. Now, your scenario is ready. Okay. So now what the Tosca will do? Tosca will try to take that respective values and it will try to automate it. Now, if I run this respective scenario, what it gonna do? See, remember one thing. Every time it will take the background only. On the background only, it will run it. See, my test case got passed here. Now, what I will do? I will go to here and I will verify whether my verification was successful or not. Okay. In this way, your verification would be successful. Okay. Now what I will do, I will try to do the negative scenario also. This time I will take a different color code, 22255. Okay. Got it? means we are doing some another color. Okay. If you've done any another color, you will check whether your test case will pass or fail. Okay. Definitely it should fail, guys. Yes, the test case got failed here. Okay. Now, if you want to check it, you can check this. See, your color code means negative testing will also be done properly. Okay. So you're expecting something and actually something. Else, if you go to what is your task or you try from your end, just go ahead and create your Excel sheet and change the color here. Okay. Put this color to some white color or any other color. Okay. Any another color you can use it. Okay. Some another color you just use it like this. And try checking. Else, use the white color, for example. Okay. No fill, nothing. Okay, you try this one and put that in the comment box. Okay, so that is all about this scenario, and this is how you will automate it. So next scenarios are coming up. Please try to subscribe the channel and try to follow. We will give the 100 plus scenario based series. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next scenario. Until then, take care. Bye bye.